Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful Tunisian crochet stitch pattern. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us and follow us on all our social media handles to get immediate updates. So for this sample pattern, I'm using basic stitch yarn, and it's a 4-ply yarn. So I'm using this for a project, so I've chosen this yarn, and I'm using this Tunisian crochet hook, which is 6mm. I purchased this hook for an Afghan, but I don't really like this hook because it creates a squeaky noise with my yarn. You can see this, which I don't like. I'll soon be replacing it with a good metal hook. So let's see how to crochet this Tunisian pattern using this hook. So we'll go ahead, work a slip knot, and then we will work 20 chains. Now that we've worked 20 chains, we will go ahead and create our forward pass. For this, we are just turning our chains backwards like this. We are going to skip the first chain from the hook and insert your hook into the second chain like this. Grab the yarn, pull through the loop, and then we are going to do this for every single chain till the end. So the squeaking noise that it creates is kind of uncomfortable. So just keep working this way, and you can see the V's that are created at the bottom. Just keep 2 loops on every chain on the top and insert the hook through each chain, pull up the loop and gather all your loops on the hook. That's why we need a long needle to work through all these loops. Now that we have created our forward pass, we can work on our reverse pass. For that, for the first loop, we always yarn over, pull through only one loop, and then rest all we are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a reverse pass, and then we're going to do that till the end. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Only for the first loop we're gonna yarn over and pull through only 1 loop. Rest all other loops we are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops till the end. Now our reverse pass is done. This is how our work looks at the end of row 1. Now we can see the bumps on each stitch. So we are going to work through these bumps, forward bumps. So I'm going to insert my hook and through one of those bumps and then pull up the loop. And we are going to do that for every single bump till the end. And then insert your hook through the bump, pull up a loop. Yarn, and then insert your hook through the bump, grab the yarn, pull up the loop. insert your hook through the bump, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. So you're going to gather all these loops on your hook for our forward pass again. So keep working like this till the end. So we are going to insert our hook onto the last loop, and for that we are going to go through both the loops. Now we are working on the reverse pass. Yarn over, pull through only one loop for the first loop, and then rest all we are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops till the end, yarn over, pull through 2 loops till the end. So now we are done with the second row. So we're gonna basically repeat this over and over again until our desired length. So I'm gonna do this for my third row. I'm gonna work through the bumps and then pull up a loop and hold all my loops on the hook, and then I will work a reverse pass again. So only whenever you're coming for the reverse pass, only for the first loop we are going to yarn over and pull through only one loop, and then rest all other loops we are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So keep working this way for the desired number of rows until your desired number of rows is reached. So keep working this way through forward and backward passes. So here we are at the end of 16 rows of forward and backward passes, and this stitch texture is very good and looks like a net. That's the beauty of Tunisian crochet. It creates a net effect. This is the back side of my work. It looks like the knitted pearl stitch, and the work is not so thick, and it has a wonderful texture to it. And I hope you found this tutorial easy and this pattern to be easy as well, and you can try this pattern at home and let me know your comments below. And this is how it looks like. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.